Tonight. One person is dead after a multi-vehicle accident in Laurel County involving a motorcycle. It happened just before 1:30 this afternoon on Kentucky Highway 229 near London. Authorities say the motorcycle crashed into the back of a pickup truck that had stopped for a mail carrier. After the crash, the motorcycle went into the southbound lane, hitting a truck. The driver of the motorcycle was rushed to the hospital where they later died. The victim's name has not been released. The road was closed for around 2 hours after the crash, but has since reopened.